G'day, I'm Melissa Shannon, founder of digitalscrapbookinghq.com.
Look what we have here. It's my new Wacom. I'm so excited. I've had my old Wacom or Wacom, I guess, since 2018. And the one before that I had for almost 10 years. So the only reason I got rid of it really was because it wasn't supported by Windows 10. So I haven't actually been super happy with my last one, but this time I decided to upgrade to the Intuos Pro. So see if we can get it out of here. And I will say it did come the next day on Prime, which this is, I think in Australia, Prime isn't always the next day. So it's pretty exciting when you do get a package the next day. So here it is. Here it is. It's the box. Beautiful. It feels heavy. Not for sale outside the Asia Pacific. So luckily I am in the Asia Pacific. So look at that. Beautiful. So this should come with the pen too, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Wacom Pro Pen 2. It's got keys. It has got a bit dented on the edge. I don't love that, but so be it. It's only the box. So let's open it up. Take that plastic off. Now I always get medium. I find that that's a good size for me. So, and let us carefully get it out here. We have, yeah, this is Velcro. Velcro in a nice hard case. Oh, look at that. So let's start off and let's show you. It is bigger. This is the Intuos that I used to have. So it's a bit wider. The active area is going to be basically the same on that. And it is a little heavier, but not actually that much heavier. Now we've got a nice long USB with USB-C at the end. Got a little pen holder, which is actually going to be really handy because I've only ever had these ones with the little pen thing, which I never use. I'm going to open it. Come on, open. Here we go. Pushed it down and then open it. And then you can see we've got all of those little different nibs. Isn't that exciting? So it's actually got 10, is that right? Yep, 10 nibs in here. And then we just close it back up. And that rubber grip helps me open it or close it. Let me show you. then that will... Now this, one thing to note about Wacoms is that they always have very light pens. Here's the old one, which is just your standard pen. New one is a little thicker, it has rubberized grip. Be interesting to see how I go with it. You can see how I've really worn down this tip because I'm left-handed. You're always pushing, not pulling, so you do tend to wear down your nibs. And the buttons are slightly different. This was half and half, so I'll adjust to that. And then it also has the eraser on the back. My old Bamboo used to have an eraser, but this one doesn't. So. Okay, and then we can take off this plastic, protective plastic. That is beautiful. That's not moving anywhere. This one I had before had the little 4 knobs. So yeah, it slid. This one will not move. That is great. And they have a little start bundle for you. Let's see what's in here. Instructions telling us what to do. Plug it in, install the software. You can either put this on here or you can put it in there, and they also say you can open it by doing that, but you know, weak. And then the rings, these are helpful if you want to, say you have multiple pens and you want to label what's what. At the moment mine just has that silver, but it comes with different colours, which is very cool. And then it has information about the rough, standard and smooth covers that you can get for the finish. So, which is kind of nice, honestly. And then just some more regulatory information about all that stuff. So now it's just a matter of plugging it all in and getting it up and running, and I'll let you know what I think of it. So now I have logged into my computer and I'm still using the mouse right now, but if I grab my pen, yep, it already works. Now, admittedly, I did already have a tablet before. So, tablet orientation. I would love to do it left-handed, but can I do it left-handed with the cable length I have? Now, the reason that you would want to have the tablet this way is if you're left-handed, you've got your pen in your left hand and you want to use those keys with your right. So here it's telling me I can switch touch off or on, because now I can use it with the touch screen. Register my device. And then if you want to, you can set up paper sketching. That's where you get an additional clip. You clip your paper to your Wacom, and then you can draw with a special tool and have it also record your sketches onto your computer. It's sort of one step from the Cintiq, which has a screen. So when it's all done, it takes you to this page to help you get started with your Intuos Pro. Now I wanted to see if I can use this on Bluetooth. open Bluetooth. Then we just have to click and hold the round button on the Wacom. Then click the Add Bluetooth or other device button. And then I do have to click on the Intuos Pro. And now it has successfully connected. So I'll click done and it should work, but unfortunately it's telling me my battery is low. So I'm going to have to plug it in for a bit longer. While it's plugged in via USB from the computer, it will charge up the internal battery and then I'll be able to use it later today. So when I purchased my Wacom, I was hoping to use the Bluetooth feature because my PC tower is actually on my right hand side, and as you can see, when you're left-handed, the plug for the Wacom is on the left. Now thankfully it's USB-C, so I could actually switch it around so the cable goes behind my keyboard rather than in front, and I can reach from my tower to the Wacom with the cable that's included, which is really good. With some previous Wacoms, I have to use an extension cable and it was a bit of a nightmare. The Intuos Art tablet that I had previous to this did support wireless, but the wireless battery wouldn't last all day. I used my Wacom all day instead of my mouse, so it didn't really work too well for me. So since I recorded this video, I have been using my Intuos Pro tablet every single day, and I did try using the Bluetooth. Unfortunately, there was a couple of issues regarding it being left-handed. The Bluetooth connection was constantly reversing the direction of the tablet. So I just gave up on trying to get Bluetooth to work. I'd love to hear back from right-handers if you've had success with using the Bluetooth, because I mean, my dream is to have it be wireless so that I can just, more easily move it around on my desk and not be restricted by the cable length. So I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments if you've got an Intuos Pro with the Bluetooth option. And I have to say that I've had this tablet now for 3 years and it is great. I've only used a couple of the pen nibs so far, and I've been really thrilled with the quality. I love the customizable buttons. I have different functions set up for different programs, and if you're interested in any of that, please let me know, because I'm happy to do another video if you're keen to learn more about how to use the Intuos.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, click subscribe, and then click on the down arrow and select all so you'll be notified each time I release a new video. And if you'd like to learn more, you can always head to digitalscrapbookinghq.com.